This demonstration will be to instruct us how to do cutting boards, part number 4000. Cutting boards are used for a variety of things. One good example would be gifts. This was made for a garden club. This would be a Christmas gift for anybody. This would go along with a kitchen theme. And this would be just any type of gift you could give to anyone, any time of the year. And that one also. This is our template. It's printed on jet coal paper, which is the high release paper. Keep in mind, when it comes off the printer, it looks bland, kind of milky looking. It's not exactly vibrant until the heat is applied. And for all the edges, use the heat tape. Finally, so we have to prepare the layers. Put the Teflon paper down first. The first sheet of butcher paper, also called scrap paper, put it on top of the Teflon. This is the template. Coating side of the cutting board face up, transfer face down, center it in the middle of the press. This is your heat conductive green rubber pad. I'm going to cover the area of the cutting board evenly. And the last sheet of protective paper. Set the pressure 400 degrees, 9 minutes, medium to heavy pressure. Nine minutes is passed. There's the butcher paper. Remove the heat conductive rubber pad. Skill transfer. Remember, it's still hot. And try not to touch it, but you do want to get the transfer off as quickly as possible. You may want to use gloves. This is my final process.